Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Google Earth and finding the placemark you want to change. Once found, select it in the Places panel or click it on the map so it's active. Next, right-click the placemark or use the three-dot menu and choose Properties or Edit depending on your version. This opens the placemarks dialog where most icon settings live. Make sure the dialog is visible before moving on so you won't lose your place. Now change the icon itself. Click the small icon thumbnail or the Style, Color, and Icon section to open the icon chooser. You can pick one of the built-in icons or select Add Image to upload a custom PNG, SVG, or KMZ sprite. Once uploaded, adjust scale and placement so it reads well at your typical zoom levels. Make sure to preview on the globe if the icon looks too big or misaligned. Tweak the scale and altitude until it sits where you expect. Finish by saving your edits. Click OK or Save to apply the new icon, and then zoom in and out to confirm it behaves consistently. If you plan to share, export the placemark as KML or KMZ so custom icons travel with the file. If the icon fails to display, clear Google Earth's cache, verify any hosted image URL is public, or simply re-upload the image. One quick troubleshooting tip. Switching between web and pro versions can expose differences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.